Here's a mid to late 80s Toastmaster that I got from Christian Clark, also known as the Family Man on YouTube. It has a Macmillan motor in there, as you can see. I think it's underneath the Toastmaster brand, when Toastmaster was a individual by himself, instead of with McGraw-Edison. Yeah, a nice solid fan. And I noticed right here that this hole in the grill, which is right there. Holy moly, can't see it, but anyway, it's not broken. But it's designed like that because of the cord. And there's only one rust spot on here as far as I see. And it's right there, that little son of a bitch. Ooh, it's got some nice motor smell. Although it has been running for a while. But yeah, you can see it's got a Macmillan in it. Toastmaster Incorporation. The cord run there. I only have it like this because of the video. Looks like it might have had a stand on it at one point in time. See, it's a little beat up. Yeah, we'll kick it on low. Sorry, it's in the wind. Can't really help that since I'm on the couch. Well, I guess if I do it like that. It's got the quietest low I've ever seen on a box fan. Minus the 3rd gen K223s. Yeah. And we'll go to medium here. Medium. Medium seems about right on this, although it has been running. I've seen one of these Grey Toastmasters at a dock and lift place down my mom's. We went in there once to go get parts for a dock, and they had one of these in there, and it was all beat up. No handle. I don't think it had a knob either. And then we'll go to high. Runs awesome on high. And then we'll go to off. And then spin down. Yep, that's it, and until next time.